Hi guys, it's Litma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys a really simple and easy DIY mask that you can use to instantly brighten up your skin tone. This will also just give your face a subtle radiant glow and will also just even out your skin. Make sure you've subscribed and press the bell icon of my channel so that you won't miss any of my videos. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. So guys, make sure you leave it until it's fully dried up and just wash it off with plain water. I just washed off the mask and as you can see my skin is instantly brightened up. So after the mask is washed off, I'm just going to use some rose water to balance the pH level of my skin. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see from me next. So until next time, see you, bye.